Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change your currency on the Temu shopping app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're not too familiar with the US currency and you want it to be changed to yours. How do you actually go ahead and change the currency on the Temu shopping app? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to log onto the Temu app. Next, you're going to click on the U icon on the bottom middle side. And then from here, on the upper right hand side, there's a hexagon icon. You're going to click on that. Now, once you've done that, you can see that there's a variety of different options here. You're going to click on currency where it says USD. So once you click on currency, your on-screen prompts might look different from mine depending on which country that you're from. But go ahead and select the currency that you want the Temu shopping app to be. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your currency on the Temu shopping app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.